Ever done something embarrassing and suddenly felt like everyone noticed? For instance, a splash of coffee on your shirt. Like everyone is watching you. Or something wrong with your pants. A stranger glances at you, and somehow it feels personal. Everyone's staring. Even the cat. At least, that's what my brain told me. Someone laughs nearby, and suddenly you think you're the reason. Sometimes, our brains make us feel like we're standing on a stage, like everyone is watching, judging, noticing every mistake. They're actually just laughing at the jokes they saw. It's exhausting always wondering what other people think. People only focus on their own matters. One worried about bills, one worried about exams, one worried about a text message, one worried about tomorrow. Then it hit me. Maybe people weren't watching me, even the cat as well.
You are not the main character in everyone else's movie, and that is a huge relief.